If you're a critical thinker and a good troubleshooter that is not afraid to get dirty,
you could become an expert in heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration.
with an associate's degree or certificate from Kirtland Community College's Hvac and Gaylord.
Kirtland's specialized HVAC lab has modern equipment, so you'll be ready for whatever you may encounter in the field.
Instructors at the Hvac are experienced, industry-trained experts.
All the instructors here have years of experience in the field, and they have the passion, and it just really helps you learn.
They will share their experience and deliver an individual training program that will allow you to thrive in your career.
So it's with a book, outside knowledge, and experience, and they're sharing it all with you right in a classroom setting.
In the classroom, as well as in the lab,
You will learn everything necessary to tackle today's HVAC needs.
our program operates closely with an advisory board comprised of industry leaders.
Not only do they offer a real-world view of what is happening in the industry, Kirtland listens to them carefully to see what they need from future employees.
Training prepares you for employment in residential, commercial, or industrial settings.
Along with doing maintenance and service of heating and cooling systems, you will learn to work on blowers, purifiers, humidifiers, and how to do air system balancing, and much more.
This field is expanding every day. With all the new airtight building practices, it makes the understanding of air movement and air system balancing more important than ever.
Your specialized air and exhaust skills will make you a valuable employee or in-demand contractor.
You could become an expert in heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration.
Get your associate's degree or a certificate through Kirtland Community College's Hvac and Gaylord.
If it wasn't for Kirtland, I wouldn't be doing what I do now for a living.